Wow. I know I say this at the beginning of every single video, but this time I'm not goofing you. Today's video is gonna be so good. Okay, here's the premise. It's like early August right now, so we're in like the heat of summer, quite literally. Now, I don't know if you know this about me, but I love sneakers. The only problem is, currently, it's hot as f*** outside. So what's a sneaker-loving boy to do when it's too hot to wear closed-toed shoes? Some of you might be saying, Logan, throw on a nice pair of sandals. Here's the problem with that. There's no such thing as a nice pair of sandals. Sandals are the worst. I'm pretty sure every sandal that has ever been made up until today is ugly. But guys, you know me, okay? When I see an injustice in the fashion world, I'm gonna do something about it. So here's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take a pair of hip, cool sneakers and transform them into the world's first pair of good sandals. I know, I know. It's out of the box, but that's what we're all about here on this YouTube channel. So right now I'm on my way to Northgate Mall here in Seattle. I'm gonna hit up good old Nordstrom Rack and see if we can't find a classic pair of sneakers to customize. If I find the right sneakers, I'm gonna purchase them, bring them home, cut them up into teeny tiny pieces, and make some rockin' sandals out of them. Also, it just so happens that tonight I'm gonna be hanging out with a couple of my friends at a park. So what I'm gonna do is bring my fresh pair of sandals along, and I'm gonna get their opinions, some hot takes if you will, on the world's first pair of fashionable sandals. As usual, this video might get a little bit wild, so buckle in, this one's gonna be fun.
Last night I had a dream I won the Powerball. Filthy, stinking rich, more millions than you can shower off. Everybody shouting loud while the announcer counting off. Read the last number, neighbors running in from down the hall.
Okay, I found these Vans. They're $34.97. I already kind of have an idea of how we're going to turn these into sandals, but I like that they're all blue because they're an awful shoe, so we might as well destroy them. By the way, I love Vans, just for the record, but the all blue isn't doing it for me. So I think these are the perfect candidates to make some amazing sandals out of Vans. Vandals.
I was in the pinch for dough, now I'm cheesing. I can save it for my unborn seed, let it blossom, but this green must have landed in my palms for a reason. Says
shit. Okay, I've gathered all my supplies. I think I'm gonna actually start with a paper pattern to make sure I can get both shoes identical. Then I'll trace that pattern onto both of the shoes, cut away all the material I don't need, then do some finishing touches to make them just a little bit extra spicy. I think this is gonna be fantastic, so get ready. So the actual Vandals themselves are done. But what would a pair of sandals be without a good pair of dad socks? And to me, there's no better way to get a good pair of dad socks than to go to the source itself. My father's sock drawer. I think these are gonna do perfectly. Okay, so with the addition of my dad's socks, I think this sandal project is done. The final step in all of this is to show these Vandals to my friends and see what they think. I think they're looking great. I've never seen a cooler pair of sandals in my entire life, but we'll have to see what they think. And of course, we're gonna end the video with a little bit of a lookbook to show you what these majestic creations look like on my feet. I'm just excited to get out there and get people talking about sandals again. Okay, so the current time is later today. Right now I'm on my way to meet up with my friends Anish and Leslie. Now I haven't told them about the Vandals yet, but I'm wearing them right now, so hopefully we'll get some honest feedback on them. I think that's Leslie up there. You know when it's really hot out and all you want to do is wear canvas Vans sneakers?
Dear God.
You know how much effort it took to walk?
Why though? Why?
Because it's too hot out.
Ruined a pair.
I love sneakers.
I was wondering why you were filming me. What's up?
You know when you just want to wear canvas sneakers, but it's too hot out.
Oh.
That's cute.
It's cute?
Yes.
Hey, positive review.
You gotta wear them without the socks though.
No, I don't.
I want to see the toes. Release the toes.
No, you don't.
I'm down.
Well, I'm glad to hear that there's resounding support.
I hated them at first.
Are they growing on you?
Yeah.
Okay, so now that we've gotten a couple hot takes on the Vans sandals, I think it's time to get into the lookbook, what we've all been waiting for. Just looking down at these Vans sandals on my feet, they're hot. I don't know any other way to describe these shoes other than hot. I'm excited for you to see these in all their glory on my feet with my dad's socks. I would suggest buckling in because this lookbook, it's gonna get wild. So, look out.
We are lost. We are lost.
I completely forgot to film an outro for this video, so here you go. That's it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to like the video. If you really like the video, make sure to subscribe. I make 2 new videos every single week. Thank you so much for spending your time watching this video, and I will see you next time.
We are lost.